All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a fun video. We're heading to Mexico. Now, last week, we just got back from Texas 2K, and unfortunately, I was trying to race the car in the event. I was not registered. I brought the car down hoping to get a late registration. That did not happen. We did end up having some fun on the street in this car, but unfortunately, nothing really that I can post. So, we're gonna film a video I've wanted to film for a very long time, kind of an old school reaction video, throwing a ton of my buddies in the passenger seat of this, and see what they think of this monster of an all-wheel drive Honda. Now, normally I find myself not really enjoying the cars as I'm always in the middle of a project, it seems. Now, you guys see the McLaren looks just a little bit different than you guys have seen it last time. This video is to come. We're doing a whole new crazy look on the McLaren, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. The TTRS, I've had tons of you guys ask what is going on with that car, and the answer is I'm literally waiting on parts to ship from Europe. I don't even think they've been made yet, to be honest. So we're in a huge waiting game with that. Yes, on the last video, we bought a new R8 project. So we actually have more parts for that car than we do for this car to get that fixed. We might even finish the R8 before the TTRS. I mean, I can't really even be that productive. I'm waiting on parts for the McLaren, the TTRS. It's the weekend. Let's have some fun with the Honda. Now, before we take this on the streets in a few moments, we need to be very on top of oil changes. This oil maybe has 150 miles on it, but it's overdue for an oil change by far. But also, you guys know that this car rattles itself to death. Like, I try to explain to you guys how much this car sucks to drive. Look what I noticed under the car once we got back from Texas. Little worrisome. I don't even know if you're able to see it on camera. If you could tell, my fuel tank is like, that's sketchy. That's a fire hazard waiting to happen. If I was dragging against the street, fuel spraying everywhere. I mean, thankfully it's the rear end, nothing really hot, but we need to go ahead and get this car up in the air, do a nut and bolt check, get that hopefully back on. I don't know if the saddle strap for the tank broke, if a bolt backed out. I'm not sure yet, but full nut and bolt check. So when we're doing ride-alongs with passengers, everybody's safe and we don't lose a critical component of the car. And then do an oil change and see who's brave enough to hop in this seat first. They see me rolling, say hey, hey. It's kind of a pig. Now let's go ahead, get the car up in the air, do an oil change, nut bolt check, and we should be good to go. Right on cue, we might have our first victim.
I'm the first one?
You might be.
Damn.
We'll see. It's either gonna be you or the fiance.
I think she should go first.
It'd be pretty funny because she is deathly scared of all my cars. Even the RS3 giveaway car, that's too fast for her.
Oh, then
this will be a whole different level. I mean, you guys know all-wheel drive Hondas are not to be messed with. It is a fast car. Now, thankfully, this car doesn't feel sketchy, at least behind the driver's seat. It's not all over the place. It's very straight, especially big on slicks, which is really cool. I think we might have to throw her in the passenger seat first.
I'm holding a worm.
Why are you holding a worm?
Watch there be no oil left.
All right, let her drain. Put 7 quarts of the good, and hopefully this doesn't break on us today. Now I'm gonna preface this video. This motor owes me no favors. For you guys, what sucks with like the social media perception, oh, this car just got back running. This engine has seen hell. It's went to hell and back. I mean, frankly, we raced it 3 events last year, multiple street tuning sessions, tons of anti-lag, 2-step, all of Texas, the dyno. This has like 50 plus gnarly hits on it, like full on hits. And hopefully today we can show you guys what she's made of without having any issues. It's a Honda, baby. It's a Honda. We'll see. If something happens, it happens, right? We'll put an aluminum rod engine in here and 1400, 1500 or bust. All right, we just got the oil drained. Time to put our under tray in. This collects all the debris in case I decide to blow up my engine. It's very nice. Also, I never have oil leaks because if I do, it goes into the tray, not on my concrete. There we go. You've never heard this car since I rebuilt it again, huh?
No, I have not.
Have you heard it before?
Yeah.
It sounded kind of gay.
Yes, I remember. What do you have now? What did you do different?
Locked VTEC.
Okay.
And I changed head gasket, stuff like that.
Okay.
It sounds...
Not gay.
It sounds, yeah, not gay. Maybe if we're feeling a little feisty, I might show you what it feels like to pull a parachute. It just sucks to pack again. Like on the street especially, like, oh, don't mind me, officer, I'm just packing my parachute. Like that's a pretty hard one to like BS your way out of. gas prices are these days. All right, we got the Honda warming up. 3 victims in front of us. We have Roman, my fiance, and her best friend Caitlin down there. We're gonna go pick up one more buddy of mine and go to Mexico. Our last victim, I think, Justin.
Yes.
You excited?
Yes, let's go very fast.
He's been wanting to ride in the Honda for a long time. I could tell the fiance is so scared. We're not gonna do anything crazy with the girl. We'll put on the lower boost map, see how she likes it. Also, see how the car is acting. And then we could turn up the boost for these other guys here. How are you feeling? Are you scared? So I hit the wrong thing. So we left it quite easy for her. We just rolled into it. 25 pounds, nothing crazy. We got our best friend Caitlin now. We're gonna up the boost a little bit, rolling anti-lag, and give her hell.
I'm not nervous.
Are you not?
No. A little scared, just don't kill me.
What do you think?
It was a little bit scarier than I thought. I thought I was gonna fly out of the car, but we live. It's like literally takes your breath away. It's crazy.
How did it sound? Did it look cool?
Oh, it was so sick.
It's so hard to film because my arms get like freaking fly away. I hope you like the footage. It's very hard to film.
This video might be so poorly put together. I'm trying. It's so hard getting 5 people trying to make this one video work. But who's next?
I guess I'm sacrificed.
All right, he's proper. The girls were a little bit loose because the girls are a lot smaller. We'll let her cool off for a second here. You can't hot lap these types of cars. How do you like that though? 40 pounds, so not the highest boost.
What's the highest?
45 right now.
That sounds pretty nice right now. Oh no, it was super nice. Yeah.
you loved it?
Oh yeah, I want to push it up.
Are you excited or what?
I'm nervous and excited, and I need to pee, so I hope I don't.
I'd be so pissed. At least there's like no carpet. Imagine you started pissing yourself.
I'm gonna hold it in.
Sounds like I should give him 45 pounds. Look at you getting there all figured out.
Oh yeah, dude. I know how to use these harnesses.
You don't grasp how fast this car is unless you're racing.
Yeah, compared to somebody, yeah. But just the feeling is kind of insane. It's
Yeah.
a different feeling though. I expected it to be like drop my stomach and like a roller coaster. This was like a gradual, but you're like, holy shit. Dude, my vision was like, I'm serious. It was like blurry. I was like, holy moly, dude.
Was it blurry and focused or blurry and all over the place?
No, like
So it wasn't tunnel vision?
No, it was like as if it was tunnel vision.
Okay, yeah.
It was good.
The hard part is just like not enough open road. This is one of those cars where you just need dead straight forever. Like the 720, I can go in high speed in a turn. This would terrify me going into a turn at some high speed.
You need like a mile and a half, I feel like, at
Yeah,
least.
we'd be golden. Let's pop the hood, check the overflow. Well, this is all one piece. That's sick. No, there's nothing. We're good, which means
good.
we're not pushing coolant, which means the head is staying on the block. Oh, the worst part about this car is it's so addicting to do pulls, but it's one of those cars you can't do back-to-back hits on, which really, really sucks. I'm so happy just to film this video, even if it's put together bad, the footage is bad. I haven't even looked at it yet. It's so fun to be able to like actually drive this car on the street and show you guys like what it's made of. Up next, we got to do another oil change after today and line up against some other fast cars around here. The issue is, in not a cocky way, I don't know any cars around here that like would actually be a fair race. Yeah, your little stock S4. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll build your car.
Bet.
But you have to pay.
Okay.
I'm a little anxious for 45. That was the first time feeling 40. The last couple I was kind of shifting weird. I was trying to test the theory if I was actually holding this while I was shifting, and I was, because after I dramatically let go of it, it wasn't doing any weird cuts. So I need to get used to having a strain gauge, which is what we're doing right now. 40 pounds just there was the second or third time I felt 40 pounds. I might be so off. I bet 45 is like 1,100. I'd imagine it's right around there. I don't know. Brian, if you're watching this, you can correct me. Now we had to get ourselves some McDonald's, but little post street hit interview. What do you think of it now? Is it addicting?
It was pretty crazy. Like, honestly, I was not expecting that. I feel like I've been in like some decently fast cars, but that is different.
Oh, we still had another 150 wheel. That unfortunately ran out of speed. I'm losing my voice already from the car. That car kills me. It like literally, I swear it's killing me every time I drive it.
I got something for you.
Oh, my title. Thank you. He's had the title to my McLaren for so long.
It was my McLaren for that time being.
Ooh, and my radar.
Yeah.
I need to figure out a way, since obviously I don't have any like auxiliary power in the Honda anymore, no cigarette outlet. I can't really run a dash cam or a radar the traditional way. So I need to go ahead and like relay it and essentially hardwire the radar so we have one in the Honda. If we ever go to Mexico again, I'd like to know if there's cops.
The seats in this thing feel too soft. Like those feel like more race seats.
You're coping right now. He wishes so bad he had this RS3. Oh, great note. By the time you guys are watching this video, 4 days left to get yourself entered. This is the last YouTube video you guys are gonna see with your chance to take this home.
Get entered. The seats are comfy.
But yeah, 4 days left. Or $40,000 cash. If you guys don't want the car, you take the $40,000 cash. I keep this car, I build it to 1,400 wheel.
Bet.
I told myself I really wanted to keep this car if someone took 40 grand cash. And the only reason was because I did not think I was gonna buy an R8 this soon. Genuinely, I thought this would be like, I don't know, and then I have an R8 now. I still gotta fix it. I don't know what I would do to this. If someone took $40,000 cash, I could either run it again for like a week, just try to get rid of this thing, or build the crap out of this or the TTRS. And I feel like I'd have to build it out of the TTRS.
Yeah,
Because that's my baby. Oh my goodness, what do you think of the car?
Dude, it's sick. Like
No, not this. Screw that. We're on the Honda.
Oh, okay. Dude, I'm telling you, it was like tunnel vision. Like everything around me seemed like it was blurry, but it's so fast. It's crazy.
It's
the
just
fastest thing I've ever been in. So like, I have nothing to compare it to. Like,
What we gotta do, top comment of this video surrounding the Honda, we'll do something reasonable. Like don't say like destroy it, put it in the scrapyard. But top comment what you guys want to see with this car, we're gonna do. I would really like to do races, because then you can get a really good perspective of how fast this actually is.
You know what I would want to see? The McLaren and this thing side by side. Like,
Just, do you think that's close?
No, I'm not saying it's close.
Just to see the comparison.
Just to see a comparison, because the McLaren is already fast.
It's so fast.
It's fast, but I want to see like a comparison. So
That'd be fun.
Yeah, I think that would be a good one.
But also, if this video gets 5,000 likes, we'll build the Audi S4 in 24 hours.
Yes. I need wheels. I want wheels. Coilovers.
Intake, downpipe, tune, I don't know what
Intercooler.
else. Intercooler.
And that's it. Like,
Some
I don't
basic
need
bolt-on
much.
stuff.
Yeah, literally bolt-on stuff. So.
But there we go, boys. The good old all-wheel drive Honda. Officially able to do some street action, we'll say. I mean, this engine owes me no favors, and it's a trooper. It is such a freaking trooper. We're gonna go ahead, before whatever the next thing is that we do with this car, we're gonna go ahead and get it up in the air, do another oil change. When I like try to tell you guys like this car is such a chore, it really is. Like, I might go overkill on some things, but every time I drive it, pretty much do an oil change, nut bolt check the whole thing, get up in the air. It's unfortunately not a car I can just jump in and go to the store. That's why I think I've enjoyed driving the RS3. It's my first car, and the McLaren, that I could just hop in, go take somewhere, have fun, and not have to worry about like, oh, let's let the oil temp come down. But there we go. We had a nice little fun day. Now, I had like 4 other buddies I was trying to give a ride to today, and unfortunately just couldn't make it happen. But now that we know that the Honda is kind of like, she's rowdy, she's ready for the street, a few more tune adjustments. I am such a rookie with the strain gauge. I kept hitting the shift knob, which kept cutting the ignition. As simple as that. Old girl is a trooper. We had some fun. The girl is behind the camera. You have anything to say about your little baby experience today?
I think everyone's disappointed in me.
No one's disappointed in you. I'm just genuinely surprised you actually got in the passenger seat, so that is a huge win. Now next time we'll go on the street with 45 pounds.
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Well, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, waiting on stuff for the TTRS, waiting on stuff for the McLaren. Big old waiting game, maybe this week. Top comment of this video, whatever you guys want to see with this Honda, we will make do, as long as it's like actually like feasible. I think we should have Devin get behind the wheel here, and he's like, probably the only person I trust to drive this car. There's a few people, but get my own reaction in the passenger seat would be insane. Maybe some races. Let me know what you guys want to maybe see me line up against. But Honda Lift could not be more happy, excited. Gave some buddies a ride, and car made it home in one piece.
Wait, I wasn't recording all that. April Fools.
April. And one last reminder again, as the time you guys are watching this video, and it might already be too late depending on when you're watching this, there's 4 days left to get entered for my RS3 giveaway. Don't miss out, guys. Don't sleep out on it. Amazing clothing, amazing shirts. It's not dog crap that you guys get from other giveaway companies. I promise you guys will want to wear this product every single day. But 4 or less days from when you're watching this, April 9th is the last day to get entered, which is also my birthday. You have all day April 9th until the clock strikes April 10th. You're out of luck. You can't get entered. Somebody else is gonna win that car, or $40,000 cash. The choice is yours.
Bye.